In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can own a business here in GTA 5 online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you can buy a business, you're going to have the correct status. You need to either be registered as a CEO or a VIP or even a motorcycle club president. Without one of those roles, you will not be able to run most businesses. So make sure you do that. So open up the interaction menu, go ahead and go to register as a boss, and make sure that you register as either a CEO or a motorcycle club president. Make sure that you start that organization just like so. Once you do that, go ahead and open up your in-game phone and go to the internet and select money and services, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and open up foreclosures at mazebank.com. This is where you're going to purchase most of those businesses here in GTA Online. And from here, you could choose a bunch of different types of businesses like a nightclub, an MC business, or other income producing properties. For example, the nightclubs are pretty solid, so let's go ahead and select that. And you're going to want to purchase this for however much money it is. After you select it, you'll be able to customize it, make it really however you would like, and then of course go ahead and customize that name and you're good to go. After buying it, complete the initial setup mission. There's always going to be one. Whenever that's finished, you'll be able to fully operate that business. And as long as you're logged into GTA Online, most businesses will produce goods over time, generate passive income, and unlock missions and selling opportunities. Just make sure that you obviously have enough money in the proper boss status before purchasing. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And of course, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.